Oh, chat. So this, I think I told you about this restaurant last time. Sorry, I got distracted. Y'all, trust me, you'll figure it out. I know, right? They just, my bag was wide open, guys, and they just said, "Yo, your bag's open." I was like, "You mind getting it?" And they did it. You're so surprised. I know, chat. Do you remember that? What, two, three streams ago, when freaking like $15 fell out of my pocket, and that lady came and gave it to me? That was so sweet. I'm telling you, New York gets a bad name. To be fair, like, yeah, you got its dangerous areas or whatever, but it really does get a bad name. All right, you wanted to see? Hold on, there's like a butcher up here. We could stop in real quick if it's not too busy. I don't want to like be too weird. But also, like, getting lost in New York is hard, especially Manhattan, because it's all well, except for a certain part. But for the most part, Manhattan's a grid system. It's a grid, so like you can figure it out. I promise. And also, Google Maps works everywhere, so you won't get that lost. Oh yeah, chat. So this restaurant I used to hear, I think I told you this last time. It was New Greenbow, and it was Nice Greenbow. Now it's Deluxe Greenbow. It's got great soup dumplings. Stays open late on the weekends. Don't mind the C rating. It's fine. You don't get sick there. And we went to Melewa last time. Parliament. So this is like a smaller market. You can kind of see inside. I don't want to like go in there and be in the way, but you can kind of see this is a smaller market. But we'll go inside of a market sometime. I have to prepare myself for that mentally. And then this is like just all meat. See, it goes back. They sell some good. All right, we're gonna go this way. Yeah, people are friendly in New York. I swear, it's transplants that give New York a bad name. How much does the SIM card cost you for 2 weeks? Like for per month? It's like $35, $30 per month. So, oh wow, they redid this place. Check it out, chat. Oh no, they moved down. They moved two doors. How's it going? You moved, huh? Yeah. Got a bigger spot. Nice, dude. Thank you. Hell yeah, it's great, man.
I'm all ears, and I'm also doing a couple promotions right now. Literally, if you see anything that catches your eye, don't think to mention.
Hell yeah, thank you, man.
Appreciate you, bro.
So we gotta look at some anime figures. He's trying to sell everything right now since they just moved in. Let's see. How much is that? 55? Oh, 150. Yeah, 55. Vibration stars. Oh, there's a nice piccolo. You just got an anime figure yesterday, Dark. Who'd you get? I got the Gundam or the Gunpla. Oh, this is cool, man. So he used to be in a little shop 2 stores down from this. It is a cool store. Zoro? Oh, awesome. Yeah, they got a little bit of everything. And Goku, man. Oh, check it. All right, I got you. Which set should I buy from Philip? Which set should I buy? I'll do it. I'll let him choose, chat. I'll let him choose. Hey, could I get a pack of Pokemon cards?
Please. We have right now Silver Tempest, Brilliant Stars, and Astral Radiance for you to choose from.
You have which one? Sorry.
Astral Radiance,
Astral Radiance,
Silver Tempest,
Silver
and
Tempest,
Brilliant Stars.
and Brilliant Stars.
They're $5 a pack. What we do is, if you ever consider 4, we'll give you a free starter deck. So that's an additional 40 cards. $20 gives you 80 total.
I mean, all right. There,
Or just
chat's
one.
chat's saying one. Chat's saying. Let me get the Brilliant.
Brilliant Stars?
Yeah, please. Or I will come back for a pack sometime. But
No worries. Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome, everyone. I'll be right with you, folks. Okay. Yep, sir. We're gonna let you pick.
oh, got it. Oh, all right,
You can
chat.
pick anyone you like.
Which one?
We have Arceus cover art. I don't know these guys.
Which one, chat? You pick. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I opened it fresh from the building.
He just opened that first. All right, they're all saying this one.
Cool. Good luck, guys.
All right, thank you, man. I appreciate you.
You get the alternate art Charizard.
Oh, did I give you this yet?
No. Let me give you a change.
Yeah, thank you.
You can run the tape back.
Thank you, buddy. I appreciate you. Thank you so much, man.
And the one that with the little thing.
All right, chat. Let's go open this outside. I'm hot in here.